Maybe I'll be really explaining, not the same thing, but new slides. So right now on the second set of slides, second part of tumors will be non-epithelial sharply circumscribed nodule. Has a structure identical hyaline cartilage. You can take a photo also, please. Part 2. Slide number 44. Tumor. Hereditary tumor. I hope you remember that there are some hereditary familial tumor syndrome.